So today we are working on linear equations and graphing them. The problem I already have done, and I'm going to slide it down. It was a little tough to write the problem and do everything with one hand. So right here we have a linear equation not in the y-intercept form, so we would want to get it down into that. That would be our first, or slope-intercept form, I should say, slope-intercept form. And we would want to just get that problem down into that form. So here's some steps that I took to get, you want to subtract the 3x over to the side so you can get the y by itself. Because remember, slope-intercept form is going to be y equals mx plus b. So you get the 3 over, it will be negative 6y equals negative 3x plus 18. And you're going to want to divide the negative 6 over to the other side to get the y by itself. And that'll leave you with y equals 1/2 x minus 3. And that is the slope-intercept form that you're looking for. Even though it says y-intercept form here. That is a little wrong. It should say slope. Okay, once you locate your y-intercept and your slope, which will be negative 3, and then your slope will be 1/2, or your rise will be 1, and your run will be 2. So just to show what I did here, you'll want to go down for your y-intercept since it's a negative. So you go down 3, 1, 2, 3. And your rise and your run is 2. Not 3. So your rise and your run is 1 over 2. Sorry for the focus here. It's kind of tough to do this all in one hand. Great. Let it focus. Okay, so 1 over 2. So then I would rise up 1 and then over 2. And that would be the way you would graph that. Sorry about this. It's keeps coming in and out a little bit. So now I'm going to take you over to a graphing calculator and how you would graph on a graphing calculator. So first you'll want to get up into your plotting and your graphing for the y's. So see how it's already y equals? That's what you want. So then you'll want to take the equation from here, the 1/2 x minus 3, and just plug it into here. So 1 divided by 2. Then you want to take the alpha key down here to get the x. So that would give you the 1/2 x minus your 3. And then you'll want to go up here to zoom down to standard and press enter. And see right there, that'll give you about the same line. Well, it will give you the same line. If my clarity will come in, you see it's down 3, 1, 2, 3, and then it would be up 1, and once it meets over at 3, it will be right there at the same exact form, or the same exact line that we had here. So in review, step 1 is you want to get it in the slope-intercept form. Then you'll want to locate your y-intercept and your slope, or your rise over run, and then you'll want to graph it. And then the other option is you could go in, come up here into your y-intercept forms, your y-intercept you're plotting, plug it right in, zoom down to standard. Oops, what did I do? Zoom down to standard, press enter, and that'll give you your same exact line. And those are the two different ways of being able to plot a linear equation. Thank you.